Kia ora, I'm Gabriel and we're here to look at the Dock 250 and how to set it safely and effectively. The Dock 250 is a box trap that is effective for larger animals such as ferrets, but is also effective for all mustelids, including stoats and weasels, and rodents including rats and mice. Today we've put our Dock 250 along a fence line, but they are also effective along pathways and waterways, as animals will often frequent these areas. You always want to make sure that the entranceway is clear, so I'll often check whether there's any grass around it. If there is, I will clear the grass, and I will clear the grass all the way around the trap as well, just to make access even easier for the animal. I will often check with my finger the actual grill around the front to see if it's got any sharp pieces, because that can also deter any animals. We don't want the animals to become trap shy. The first step getting inside a Dock 250 is unscrewing it. The next step will be to pivot the lid open. Make sure it's resting on top of the box and not hanging over the side. Next we'll bait the trap. Today we'll be using erased rabbit, egg and peanut butter. I'll put one dollop above the kill plate and one dollop just by the door. Now the one by the door I use for pre-feeding the animals so they become less shy with the trap. And occasionally, if you want to catch hedgehogs, you can use blaze, which is a mixture of flour and icing sugar. It's really important that we bait the trap before we set it. Next will be setting the trap, and we can either use the setting tool or our hands. We would choose to use the setting tool as the spring is powerful in the Dock 250 and can often be hard to set. Once you get more confident and experienced, you can always use your hands. Next we'll grab the handle and start pulling it back. Keep pulling the handle back until the top of the trap slides over the top of the trigger arm. Once the top of the trap slides over the trigger arm, the bottom of the trigger arm will then catch the sear, which is the little tab just above the kill plate. I'm confident that it is set correctly, as the trap mechanism is sitting in an upright position and the kill plate is sitting nice and flat. So now that the trap mechanism is set, I'm going to close the lid. So I'll pivot it back, making sure not to catch the trap mechanism on the way through. I will then use the screwdriver to secure it closed again. It's always important to keep your traps clean and well maintained. There's heaps of information online. Visit predatorfreenz.org.